Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
I love traveling alone. I think over the years, like मैं पहले भी कह रहा था, I've become a loner. Even if I'm shooting at a place, मैं खुद निकल जाता हूँ, to have lunch alone. I actually take a lot of holidays all by myself. I take a book, I read by the park, I go to restaurants, थोड़ा बहुत shopping कर लेता हूँ, I watch movies. So I'm quite comfortable with myself. I always don't need company. To be honest, I'm very ambitious. मुझे बहुत कुछ, I have miles to go. I have lots, a lot of films to do, a lot of characters to portray, a lot of directors to work with. But I guess just to, see my parents proud of my work, I think that itself is an achievement. You feel great when you go home and you see that somewhere, they're proud of you and they're proud to be known as my parents. So I think that itself is a good achievement. ये जवानी है दीवानी में जो travels हमने की है, it's very pertaining to the story of the film. कि first half में these group of friends, they go on a trek in Manali. Of course, they get the tickets on makemytrip.com. Sorry, I have to say this every 5 minutes. मुझे सब बोला गया है. So they all go on a trip together in Manali, trekking. Then the boy, the character who I'm playing, Bunny, he is very ambitious. He's driven. He wants to travel the world. तो उसे एक job मिलता है with Fox Traveler. With that, he gets to explore places like San Francisco, LA, Colorado, New York, and finally we catch him when he's working in Paris. तो जब सेकेंड हाफ इस फिल्म का शुरू होता है, जो कल्कि है, जो कैरेक्टर ये प्ले कर रही है, वो उसकी शादी हो रही है उदयपुर उदय विलास में. इट्स अ वेरी Rajasthani kind of a culture, the wedding. So then we go out there. So I think the locations have been very story based. अंजाना तो हम अमेरिका में घूम रहे थे यहाँ से वहाँ, तो it wasn't that story based, but in this film it's very story based. Part of the character.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.